Hi, this is Mr. Hove from Bluefin Vision. Today's video examines, is laser eye surgery safer than lens replacement surgery? I often have patients attending the clinic and they have this perception that laser eye surgery, because it's less invasive, it doesn't actually go into your eye, that is a safer procedure to have than lens replacement. Interestingly enough, on the consent form that I asked them to sign, I explained that with laser eye surgery, there's about a 1 in 10,000 risk of losing sight if you either get an infection in your cornea after the laser eye surgery or you develop ectasia after laser eye surgery. And then I quote them the risks if they're coming in for lens replacement surgery and say there's about a 1 in 10,000 risk of losing sight when you're having lens replacement surgery, either from an infection in your eye or a severe bleed during the operation. So actually the risks of severe sight loss aren't any different between laser eye surgery and lens replacement. Admittedly, with lens replacement surgery, you do go inside the eye to change the crystalline lens and replace it with a plastic lens. And with laser eye surgery, you're reshaping the front of the eye and not necessarily going into the eye itself. But the actual overall risk profile of both operations is quite similar. They're both very, very safe. Thank you for your time.